Hi, I'm Stacy Shapiro, president of Shapiro Strategies, a training and consulting business. I focus so much of my work on leadership, communication, and professionalism within businesses and organizations. So why have I developed this 4-course series? Because after 14 years as president of my own business and 15 more years before that in leadership positions, I know that each of us is capable of strengthening our work culture, no matter our position or title. I work with so many organizations and businesses that just want to get better. So where does it start? I think it starts with us, each one of us. So come to my courses, learn more about who you are in the workplace and who you strive to be. From respecting our colleagues, to communicating courageously, to increasing our emotional intelligence, all of these are even more important and relevant now as we've all really had to change and adapt to a more virtual existence. And guess what? It's all about getting better. And you'll inspire others as you do. And this all leads to an improved workplace culture. Who doesn't want that? Improved relationships all around. We all want that. We're going to have fun too, so bring your good energy and I'll bring mine and we'll do our best to inspire each other. I'm kind of getting excited thinking about it. I sure hope to meet you soon.